Hey everybody, my name is Nick Haugen. I work here at Osmus Farm Supply in the rake warehouse. Today I just want to talk to you a little bit about our new Dicamba fleet. We went out and actually purchased a bunch of new tanks and new cage pumps that are high flow capacity, simply so we can service you better. And this year we actually did, with these 50 pumps, paint them bright orange to, on our end, help you practice your stewardship and actually make things more noticeable for you guys, so you know better to notice that these pumps are only to be used for Dicamba and not for any other products. With that being said, the main three products that we are going to have for Dicamba this year, we'll have Ingenia, we'll have Fexapan, and we'll have Extendamax. Now with our Ingenia and our Fexapan, we'll have the pumps all set up for 2-inch valves because that's what they're equipped with. And for Extendamax, things will be a little different because Monsanto tried to practice their end of stewardship and actually installed an 1.5-inch bottom valve on these cage tanks. So they actually did come out so we can transfer everything to what we're using and gave us a retrofit kit. With these pumps, like I said, they are high flow capability. The big thing to remember here is that each tank that we send out will have a pump attached to it. Now, we'll have a plastic seal placed here on the bottom, so it can be actually used for another tank if it's close enough set to it. The pump itself will actually be attached to the cage tank itself, so it cannot be removed with a stainless steel seal. If that seal is broken, it is required by the customer that they purchase the tank and the pump so we can enforce our stewardship. Again, our Extendamax cages coming from Monsanto are installed with an 1.5-inch bottom valve. Now that gets to be kind of a mess for us because all of our cages are installed with 2 inches. But Monsanto actually went out and made a retrofit kit so we can make everything from an 1.5 inch fit our 2-inch lines and pumps. And actually, if it comes necessary, the customer can actually use this retrofit kit on their pump and use their own pump for our tanks. We just have to make sure that our customers are asking for this retrofit kit if they are going to be using their own pump. Now, I have one of the retrofit kits set up here. There's a banjo coupler, a nice nipple, and a reducer bushing that I actually screwed the 2-inch off of, so we can now have the 2-inch down to the 1.5 inches, and that's going to be where the different pieces are going to all fit together. The retrofit kit is here. This is our standard 2-inch. Again, they gave us an 1.5 inches so we can hook right to it. And then these are the rest of your pieces, and they did, of course, give us thread tape for that. So anybody can put together what they need. There's enough pieces here that it can actually get set up in 3 different modes. That concludes the video with our new Dicamba fleet. If anybody has any questions as far as how to assemble the pumps, get the pumps hooked up, or if you're going to be using Extendamax, how to get hooked up to your 1.5-inch valve, feel free to contact any of your warehouse employees at your closest AFS warehouse. And if anybody has any other questions as far as what product to use, feel free to contact anybody in the office and get hooked up with that today. Thanks for watching the video. Have a good day.